and onion rings and a hearty country fried steak toaster sandwich for just $3.99.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma until 4:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Broxton, or 2 miles northwest of Pine Ridge, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Straight line winds up to 80 miles an hour can be expected. Locations in the warning include Broxton, Pine Ridge, Stecker, Cheetah, Anadarko, and Gracemont. Abandoned mobile homes and vehicles. If possible, move to a basement or storm shelter. Otherwise, move to an interior room or hallway on the lower